going on, YouTube? Back with a quick video today. It's that time of year, so somebody had asked me what gearing I use on my bike, so we're going to get to that in a second. But before we do that, I do want to give a quick shout out to Zaycon Fresh. Zaycon Fresh, what the fuck is up? How's business? All I gotta say is you should have went plant-based. How does it feel? Yes. Now that I got that out of my system, let's get to the gearing on the bike. Alright, on the back, we have a SRAM 11 to 32 cassette, which means that I had to get a medium cage derailleur. So this is a Shimano 105 medium cage to fit my 32 tube cassette in the back. On the front, the big boy up front, I have a compact crank. This is 5034. So yeah. Now, when I initially moved out here, I was thinking it was super flat, and because where I'm from, it was more hilly. That's why I had the compact crank and the climbing gears. But out here, it seems more flat. Now that I've been out here a while, though, there is a lot of good climbs and stuff like that, so I decided to keep the compact crank on there instead of going with a bigger one for the flats out here. But that's it, guys. If you have any other questions, post them in the comments down below. If you want to know anything else about the bike or any advice on getting a bike or something like that, what you should look for, post in the comments down below. Until next time, guys, take care.